In this video, I'll show you how to import products from any website into your WooCommerce store. Now you might want to do this if you're running a dropshipping website, right? And you might want to import products from Aliexpress, maybe from Amazon. Maybe you've got an existing store on a different platform such as Shopify or Wix, and you just want to migrate it over to your WooCommerce store. Then hopefully this video will help you do that. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. So for example, I'll show you how to import products from almost any website. So here I'm on AliExpress, and in just a few clicks, I can import all these products to our website. So if we head over to our dashboard, navigate to import, I can just paste in the URL here, and then it will automatically import the products, right? So it's fetched one so far, and with enough time, it will fetch all of them. So I'm just going to stop this. Let's try Amazon. Let's copy this product here. Let's copy the URL. Let's head back over to our dashboard, and then let's paste in our URL. Right, and here we can see the product, and then once we're ready, we can just import it. So if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, I'll leave a link in the description below to the particular plugin. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. We'll navigate to plugins, add new. So I've already purchased the plugin in which we'll be using, which is this one here. I'll go ahead and download it. Let's upload it onto our website. Let's activate it. Okay, so we need to enter in our license key. Okay, so we've activated our license key. So now let's go ahead and import the product from Amazon. So we'll copy over the product URL. Let's click on this product tab here. Let's paste in our product, and then let's hit extract product. We can add multiple products as well per line. So we can see it's got 9 attributes. We've got some gallery images. We've got a product name and a price. So we can just go ahead and hit import. Okay, and now when we head over to our products section, here we can see the product in which we've just imported. Okay, and currently by default it's set to link to the original product, right? So if we click on this, it takes us directly over to the Amazon page. However, we can change that, and you do want to go ahead and configure the settings. Right? I just wanted to quickly show you how it works. So let's head over to settings. Now let's head over to import. All right, and then a product type. So by default, it's set to external/affiliate products. Let's change this to a simple product. When we import the product, we get to choose if we want to set it to pending, draft, or publish. We can specify the default categories and so on. We can also dynamically create new categories when possible. We can choose how we want to handle the images. All right, so we can just go ahead and tailor this to your specific use case. And then I'm going to hit save changes. Okay, let's navigate over to extractor. All right, so when we navigate over to AI, right, if we enter in our OpenAI API key, we can actually rename the title and the description automatically to try and make our products as unique as possible. We can automatically check for updates regarding the product in which we've imported. This is particularly handy. For example, if we've imported a product from AliExpress, right, and we're currently selling that product, if it just so happens that that product goes out of stock, then it makes sense that we automatically set our product as well to out of stock. If you're currently running your store as an affiliate marketing website and you've got an affiliate account with Amazon, for example, you can append your affiliate URL here, obviously minus the amazon.com or whatever it is. It's the same sort of setup for AliExpress as well. Then let's head over to extractor. To avoid bigger sites blocking your crawl requests, you can use services like Scraping Dog API key. You can also try using a proxy list as well. If you're not scraping hundreds, if not thousands of products at a time, then you should be okay. When we navigate over to the front end tab, we can add a disclaimer text. We can customize the buy now button. And if you're treating this as a affiliate website, meaning you're linking over to Amazon or whatever the website is that you scrape the products from, then you've got the option to specify the redirect type, right? Whether it's a 301 or a 307 redirect, right? When we navigate over to dropshipping, here we can specify the domain name. So for example, if we're scraping products from amazon.com, we could just type in amazon.com here. And then essentially we can automatically increase the price from all the products that we've imported from Amazon.com by, let's say, 25%. This is particularly useful if you import in products from websites like Aliexpress. We can automatically mark up the price. So in this case, we'll just put the Aliexpress domain here, and then we'll just set a percentage increase. Okay, and then we get to specify the product type that this pricing rule will apply to. Okay, so let's test this out. Let's copy the Aliexpress domain here. Let's put Aliexpress here. And then let's bump up the price by 100% just to make it obvious, right, that the rule's working as it should. And now I'm going to copy all this product from this particular category onto our website. So let's copy the URL. Let's head over to product import, enter in our URL here, and then let's click extract products. And we'll stop it after a while because we don't want to import all these products onto our store. Okay, so I'm just going to stop it here. Okay, so these are the products which we've successfully fetched from Aliexpress. So now let's select these products and let's hit import selected. Okay, so it's saying it's been imported. So now let's check all products. Okay, and here we can see the product has indeed been imported. You might have noticed, if you remember, this was 99 pence or $99. And since we've set it to automatically increase the price by 100%, here we can see the price is $2, right? And we've set the rounding to round it up to a whole number, hence why it's $2 and not $1.98. Okay, so we can preview our product. And when we click on this reviews tab, we can also see the reviews here as well. So it's working as it should. Okay, so one final thing before we end this video. If we navigate over to where it says create auto import, for example, on this listing page, we can automatically import any new products onto our website. So let's head back over to our dashboard. We could give it a name, it's just for internal purposes, and then we'll add our listing URL here. And then we can check this URL every hour, for example, or maybe every 3 days. And then we'll process X amount of products at a time. Then just hit save. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.